I've spent my life in railways, which is a very green method of transport. So for us to make a move to a green energy supply was absolutely natural, and Project Solar were a great company to do it with. Of all the companies I looked at, they were the only ones that actually bothered to do the survey. I think one of the impressive things about them, that they signalled what the next move was, and then it happened. In terms of the experience from my perspective, Project Solar were on top of the process. They did communicate well. In particular, they told me when things were going to happen and what would happen. And that's carried on right through, not just the installation, but there's quite a lot goes on after the installation. So Project Solar have made that happen in a way that didn't bother me at all. We've got a 13-panel installation. I've got quite a good roof that faces due south. One of the things Project Solar have done very well in their installation phase was they took account where I wanted things and adapted their design just a little bit, just to make it better for how I want the house to look and feel. There's a satisfaction here. We know that we're supporting a green agenda. We're doing what we can. Yes, and the savings are nice.